Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog now, which is part 2, our deuce to our previous video, we will be showing something similar to what we guys have going on my side. This is another, oh wow, this view, this is very distracting. If I live here, I'll be out here way too often, way too much. This view is very captivating. Look at that, people. Look at that. What can that be compared with? The ocean view? No, brother. This is 10 times better, in my opinion. But guys, this is a 1-bedroom unit similar to what we have going on my side, and I just wanted to show you guys from a different paradigm, a different perspective. So this is built by someone else, and we're gonna just compare them, look on a few things. We're not gonna get too deep in the nitty-gritty, but we're just gonna have a look at the construction itself. Yes sir, and just say, alright, Ismash here look better, no Ismash there look better, the color choice is better here, or color choice is better. So far I've noticed minimal to no difference in terms of how it look. It should be the same house, and it's just as I say, constructed elsewhere. The main reason why I say I am fully sold, brother.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
No, I need to focus on the house, but look at that, guys. If you guys ever feel the peace, the serenity, the feng shui of around here, or being down here, so you guys will definitely be on board with me and me say, yo, I am sold, and me not see the house yet. Bro, come on. That is it. Anyways, this is our mini mansion. Now wait to get access to it. As in the previous video, I couldn't get access to one that is finished the studio. Watch the previous video, but I gain access to one that is far enough in terms of work in progress. And yeah, this video where we get access to one that is clean, tidy, and all them bells and whistles. So far I noticed one difference, and it's this arch. Ours is different. But yeah, and we can access the flight and lock. Yeah, hold on, this open now, close. Dang it. So before any more movement, I hope you guys are liking this video, hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing, you know, giving my channel a greater opportunity, a better opportunity to grow. So team Ismash, it's my face. I'm probably not sure it from the vlog start, but yeah, here's alright. If you're a part of the team, you already know my face. You're not necessarily interested in this handsome face all the time. But anyways, team Ismash, let's get on with the vlog. And the clock is ticking, waiting on the guy to come and give me access, and this should be another banger one. Them video mostly intended to give you guys inspiration. Who not shop and what bill or whatever, give you guys inspiration for just showing what I can do, what else is out there, and things of that nature. So we enjoy doing this, and we will do nothing but continue. I just need you guys to subscribe to the channel, share. That's important. Me not embarrass on my channel, so when I can share it to the most meticulous person or whatever, if you scrutinize the video, I don't care, bro. Just get me out here. Team Ismash, so far you guys have been the best new family one could ever had, or one could ever have. So Team Ismash, let's go. So this is the unit that I've been given access to. So yes sir, let's go on the inside. But first, feed the groove them. Feed the drip groove. Nice. See the difference? Team Ismash, welcome to Kiasa. Team Ismash, what do you guys think? What do you guys think so far? Ismash, they're the same thing. No, there are differences, so I'm not gonna really point out yet. Same island. So for those who know my video, I think you guys should watch it if you guys haven't watched it as yet. It's the same thing, but some of the units them they have different color, you know, finishes, but basically the same thing. Pilot for accommodation. Come on, nice. So the main difference lies within the bathroom. It is some of them have showers. I believe not all the one bedrooms are with the bath, but some of them have a shower. Or tiling continuously right round. As you can see, the stop, and yes sir. You think our tiles look nicer? Well, the white, I think it's the 30-30 cm. So it is not rectangular, it is square. So that's one of the difference with the tiling and also the color. Slightly a lean. So here we go. Infamous one bedroom. Yes sir. Nice. Flush again. Bifolds with the ply. Nice. So the floor is a bit dirty in this one. We have different tile. We have 60. These are small, and I think we have white grouting. This have like a orange color, right? So main difference, as I said, if you guys haven't watched my videos yet, please take the opportunity to. And yeah, it's a very nice. So yes, Team Ismash, this is the unit, and hope you guys appreciate the art of our one bedroom units. Thanks for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for another one. Team Ismash, I am out.